In this video, we will learn how to add products. There are two ways we can add products to this software. To add a product, go to your products page, click Add Product, and a new window will open. On this page, input your product name and unit, pieces. If you want to be notified of your available stock, enable the Manage Stock option and input your preferred alert quantity. What this does is that once your stock drops to this quantity, you are notified to purchase additional inventory, so you don't go totally out of stock. The next thing is to include your business location. That applies only to a business that has multiple locations. If your company has just one place, the default location you used when registering will apply. There is other information such as SKU and barcode type. You don't need to worry about those as they self-generate. You can also upload your product's image by clicking on the Browse button if you want. The next thing is to go to the bottom part of the page and input your purchase price. Once this is done, other costs will self-generate based on the profit margin. Please note that the default profit margin on the software is 25%. We know this does not apply to every business, so please feel free to adjust this to reflect your business reality. Keep in mind that you can always adjust the margin value if there is any change in the state of the economy. Once this is completed, click Save and Add to Opening Stock. Once you do this, you are redirected to a new page where you will input the available quantity of your product. Once you do this and save, your stock level is automatically updated. The alternative option to add products usually applies to a business with multiple products. For that, you need to click on Import Products and then be redirected to the Import Products page. If you want to import various products for that, you must first download the template file. Click on the Download Template file, then open the downloaded Excel spreadsheet. Here you need to enter the required details. There are several fields, but not all areas are compulsory. First, we need to put the name of your product name and unit. If you want to enable Manage Stock, press 1. Press 0 to disable it. Also, you must include your selling price tax type according to your requirement. Next, specify your product type. Lastly, enter the purchase price, including tax, of your product. Finally, save the file. On the Import Product page, click on Choose File, then navigate to the Excel spreadsheet we edited. Please select it and then click on Open. Once you submit, your stock level for all the products is automatically updated. If you liked our video, then please share it and subscribe to our channel. Bye.